work put in. Game ended 2-2. What do you think about the team performance today?
We think we played good, but in semi-final, is this tiers, you know, you have to take a chance, and a chance win game, you have to take our chance. But it's a very good game, and we know that they're good for the first 25 minutes, so we try to soak up the pressure, but obviously they get a goal, but we go on to the second leg, we focus on that.
So, what did it mean? How important was that in terms of equalizer? Because it seemed that for the first half of the game, Mount Pleasant were coming, but said after you guys conceded, you came roaring back. Was that kind of in terms of the kick in the past that you guys needed to get back your attacking flow?
Yeah, maybe through 3 weeks we never did a play, so maybe we're not much sharp as them, because them did a play. But we know that the first half an hour, the first 25 minutes, they're going to press hard. So we just try to soak the pressure, and then we transition from defense to attack and get a goal.
Did you feel that the rest helped, especially in the latter part of the second half? Because it seemed after Fabian Reed got that goal, that the win was at your sails.
Yeah. I think the rest kind of cost us still. Yeah, because 3 weeks we not play no match. On 1 and 2 times we play one local squad match, and yeah, we think that kind of cost us, but we just wait till the second leg and we do what's right.
I know that you guys, in terms of, even though you weren't playing, you had in terms of a team building trip, you know, to the Falls. How much did that help you in terms of the team to at least come together?
Yeah, it's bring a chemistry, a brother love together, and all that we enjoy ourselves. And yeah, and we have to come back to work now, and today is the day. Honestly, second leg, we do the right thing.
What do you think is going to be important to make the difference?
The second leg?
Yeah. How do you think, what's going to be in terms of the difference? What's going to make the difference for you guys?
I think the mental part, we have to focus more, because some sloppy concede. We know that they're good on corners, and we still make ranking get that, because he's on a good form with ending the ball, and we know that, and we make that happen. So I feel mentally, second leg, we're going to focus more, and just, yeah, surely we try to get the win, go to the final.
No problem. Thanks a lot.